Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been testing out this Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop for the past few weeks, and I wanted to share my honest thoughts with you all. Before we get into it, check the link below if you want to see the latest price on Amazon. This thing is an absolute beast when it comes to performance. The Intel Core Ultra 9 processor paired with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM means you're not going to run into any bottlenecks, whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple demanding applications at once. I've been throwing everything at it from Cyberpunk 2077 to content creation work, and it handles everything without breaking a sweat. The display is honestly one of the standout features for me. That 18-inch QHD screen with 300Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time makes such a difference, especially in competitive gaming. Colors are vibrant, motion is buttery smooth, and having that extra screen real estate compared to typical 15 or 17-inch laptops really enhances the whole experience. Whether you're gaming or just watching content, everything looks crisp and detailed. Storage-wise, you're getting a full terabyte SSD, which means fast boot times and plenty of space for your games and files. I appreciate not having to worry about constantly managing storage or dealing with slow load times. The RTX 5070 graphics card delivers solid performance across modern titles, and I've been able to run most games on high settings while maintaining good frame rates. One thing I really noticed is how well the cooling system works. Alienware calls it their cryo chamber cooling, and honestly, even during extended gaming sessions, this laptop stays surprisingly cool and quiet. That's huge because nobody wants a laptop that sounds like a jet engine taking off every time you launch a game. The build quality feels premium too. The liquid teal color gives it a unique look that stands out from typical black gaming laptops, and the keyboard is comfortable for long gaming or work sessions. Dell's Onsite service coverage also gives you peace of mind, which is important when you're investing in a high-end machine like this. Now, I'll be honest, this isn't a laptop you're going to be carrying around campus every day. It's definitely on the heavier side, and battery life during gaming isn't spectacular, but that's pretty standard for powerful gaming laptops. You're really buying this as a desktop replacement that you can move when needed. The price point puts this in premium territory, so it's definitely an investment. But if you're looking for a powerful gaming laptop that can handle anything you throw at it, from AAA gaming to content creation, this Alienware delivers on performance. Check out the link below for current pricing and more detailed specs.